Hello everyone, this is Sumit and welcome to Petrogate PYQ series, and in this particular PYQ series we will discuss the questions which has been asked in GATE 2020 from the petroleum exploration. Okay, so the two questions that has been asked in this year from the petroleum exploration that we are seeing here. Okay, so now you will see the question number 1. Okay, so question number 1 is that कि वो क्या कह रहा है सुनिएगा, the stable geothermal gradient, okay, and approx 25 degree Celsius per kilometer, no problem. So in the earth crust, okay, will suddenly increase to a higher gradient when, कब ऐसा होगा? ऐसा कैसा भाई कि जब आपका ग्रेडियंट जो है, जियोथर्मल ग्रेडियंट है, वो 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर किलोमीटर होता है. मतलब मैं आपको बोलूं तो क्या होगा कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस, कि इफ यू आर गोइंग डाउनवर्ड्स इनटू द सब सरफेस, तो 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस इंक्रीजिंग पर ईच किलोमीटर और ईच किलोमीटर. ओके, सो नाउ हर एक किलोमीटर पे जाने पे 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस बढ़ता चला जाएगा. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम सर, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो वो कब ज्यादा होगा, मतलब ऐसी व्हाट आर द सिचुएशन कि व्हेन योर जियोथर्मल ग्रेडियंट इज हायर, मींस 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर किलोमीटर, फिर 60 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर किलोमीटर, ऐसा कब हो सकता है? व्हाट आर द सिचुएशन व्हेन द जियोथर्मल ग्रेडियंट इंक्रीज? सो देयर आर द 4 ऑप्शन इज गिवन, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. ओके, so I will see. So the thing is that sir how the geothermal gradient is there, ये exist कैसे करता है अपने अर्थ में, ठीक है, ये कैसे exist करता है, I am telling you. First listen that. So suppose this is your mantle, okay, and in mantle there is a hot lava, and this is your hot lava. Suppose I am telling this is your hot lava. Suppose the temperature there is a, I am taking example only, that is suppose your 1000 degree Celsius, okay, 1000 degree Celsius, and surface temperature is like suppose 16 degree Celsius, 16, not 16, 30 or 40 degree Celsius. Okay, so geothermal gradient is what, because the temperature at this particular point is higher and there is a lower, so it means whenever I am going to downward, so geothermal gradient or temperature is increasing because of this. Okay, no problem. So suppose I am taking another example. Suppose this is your crust layer and this is your crust layer depth, or suppose the depth of this particular crust layer is, you can say, like 100 or you can say 100 kilometer. Okay, no, I'm taking example. This is your 40 degree Celsius, this is your like 100, like 1000 degree Celsius. So what is the geothermal gradient? Geothermal gradient is what is the temperature difference. Temperature difference is this, sir, means delta T upon depth will be geothermal gradient. Okay, means the delta T means what is the temperature difference, means 1000 minus 40 degree Celsius upon 100 kilometer. So you will see what, you will see this your 960 upon 1000 kilometer, 100 kilometer. So you use this, whatever the answer, you will see 9.6 kilometer, sorry, 9.6 degree Celsius per kilometer. Temperature will increase if you are going downwards. Okay, no problem. So geothermal gradient will increase, listen me carefully, geothermal gradient will increase when either this depth will be lesser, okay, or either this temperature difference is higher. Okay, so then the geothermal gradient will increase. Okay, so we will see this particular option. So then see ki is there anything which depth is decrease or increase, what kind of situation is there. So we will see the option. The question, option number 1 is excessive erosion and upliftment. Means what? Suppose this rock will be erosion, there will be erosion of rock. So now what happen, the depth will be this, means this will be like what, depth will decrease, means 80 kilometer now, or this rock will be uplifted now, means this point is now and this point will be there. Okay, means this point will be going to upward, means erosion take place, so rock will be eroded approx 20 feet, I am taking example, and upliftment also there, means this layer will go upward and similarly this layer also moving upward. So now the depth will what, depth is this, means 80, means depth is decreasing, depth decreasing, so geothermal gradient increasing. So I think this is your right answer. Okay, same thing is that sir 960 means now this particular zone, initially this layer was what, 100 degree, 100 feet. So now the thickness is, this particular layer is now 80 feet. Okay, so in 80 feet, but their temperature is same and their temperature is 1000. Lava is थोड़ा change हो रहा है, lava is same, so temperature is same. So 1000 minus 40, it means 960, and depth will now 80. So you will get like 100, a 10 point something gradient, which is greater greater than this. So I think depth decrease, so it means geothermal gradient increase. So I think this kind of the option is right. Now but we will see the remaining option also. Okay, हम लोग बाकी का ऑप्शन भी देख लेते हैं. बाकी का ऑप्शन का मतलब क्या है सर? बाकी का ऑप्शन का मतलब है कि there is excessive subsidence and deposition. Subsidence means suppose this is a layer. Okay, this is a layer, this is a lava. Okay, and the temperature is 1000 degrees Celsius and 40 degree at surface temperature. Okay, so therefore what happened? Subsidence and deposition. Deposition take place of this any particular materials, and there will subsidence means dump हो गया. ठीक है, तो डेप्थ इंक्रीज टेम्परेचर इज सेम, तो जियोथर्मल ग्रेडियंट डिक्रीज मींस जियोथर्मल ग्रेडियंट विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस एंड व्हाट इज द डेप्थ दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट. तो डेप्थ इज इंक्रीज इफ योर मटेरियल इज कमिंग एंड दैट इज सबसिडेंस मींस डंप, तो लेयर बाय लेयर इंक्रीजिंग. सो इट मींस देयर जियोथर्मल ग्रेडियंट decrease when this kind of situation. So but I am searching for higher gradient mean increment. So there is not the right answer. Next, excessive subsidence and upliftment means subsidence and upliftment, so no problem, again decrease, no problem. So now excessive, बताऊं क्या? ठीक है, बता देता हूं कि subsidence हुआ, material dump हुआ, and then this layer will upliftment means the layer height will remain same, no problem with the height. Okay, no changes in the height, no. Their height means this layer height. Okay, their thickness means there is excessive subsidence and erosion means excessive subsidence means dump and erosion. So there is no changes with the height also, so it means remain the same geothermal gradient. So the right answer will be this. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो यहां पे ये क्वेश्चन हो गया. राइट ऑप्शन इज ए, देयर इज एक्सेसिव इरोजन एंड अपलिफ्टमेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट, यू विल सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मीन्स व्हाट कि ही इज टेलिंग अस कि देयर इज अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कैरोजीन. आई डिस्कस मैनी टाइम कि व्हेन द लाइक ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल विल डिपोजिटेड एंड दैट ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल इन द डाइजेनेसिस स्टेज कन्वर्ट इनटू द कैरोजीन. ओके, बट कैरोजीन may be different my dear, because it depend on what kind of the material organic material deposited, accordingly the kerosene will form. ओके भाई, कैरोजीन तुम बना रहे हो तो इट मीन्स ये भी तो होगा कि कैरोजीन किस तरीके का बनेगा. वो डिपेंड करेगा कि विच काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल से बना होगा, वो किस काइंड से मटेरियल से बना होगा. भाई मान लो कोई भी आप सब्जी बना रहे हो, कोई चीजें बना रहे हो, तो आप किस तरह की क्वालिटी का मटेरियल डाल रहे हो, उसी क्वालिटी की आपकी चीजें बन जाएगी. तो बात समझ रहे हो? तो वही चीज यहाँ पे है. तो विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैरोजीन टाइप्स एंड द सोर्स फ्रॉम विच इज डेराइव्ड. क्या होता है? लिसन, दिस इज द टेबल यू कैन सी. This is the table you can see कि these are the kerosene type 1, 2, 3, 4 kerosene type. Okay, and these are the source material. If the organic material is mainly algae type of, so then the kerosene, what are the kerosene you are getting in the diagenesis stage, that is called a kerosene type 1. और दिस कैरोजीन टाइप विल बी डिपोजिटेड इन द लेकस्ट्रीन इन्वायरमेंट. लेकस्ट्रीन मीन्स जहां पे लेक होगा, ठीक है, छोटी मोटी नदियां होंगी, दैट काइंड ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट दिस एल्गी मटेरियल नीड. ओके, नेक्स्ट मीन्स व्हाट? नेक्स्ट मीन्स सपोज योर ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल मेनली प्लांक्टोन, सम एल्गी ऑल्सो. सो इन दैट केस यू विल सी वट एवर द कैरोजीन यू विल गेट, दैट इज योर टाइप 2 कैरोजीन. और in this kerosene that will be deposition environment is your marine environment, and this kerosene generally create your oil and gases. Okay, and this type 1 only also giving the oil and gases. Okay, and hydrogen carbon ratio is this and oxygen carbon ratio of kerosene is this. Okay, this data also you must remember, because many times the question also asking from these data like hydrocarbon ratio of kerosene 1, hydrocarbon ratio of kerosene 2. So generally the option can be create and the you can see the question can be asked from there also. Okay, so now the question mainly higher plants like wood, like stems of your of your plants or your tree, so that will deposited So then in diagenesis stage whatever the kerosene form that is your kerosene third. तो इससे डिपोजिट होने से जो केरोजिन बनेगा उस केरोजिन को मैं क्या टाइप थर्ड केरोजिन बोल दूंगा, कोई नहीं। और उससे जो मेरा मटेरियल या ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल या हाइड्रोकार्बन बनेगा, whatever the hydrocarbon generated the kerosene type third, that generally will gas, okay, and the hydrocarbon ratio is this and oxygen carbon ratio is this, okay। in fact अगर हमने लेक्चर सीरीज में इनको काफी डिटेल में डिस्कस किया हुआ है, बट यहाँ पे भी आप लोग इस टेबल में देख सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो नाउ द थिंग इज दैट सर, इफ रो वर्क मटेरियल ऑक्सीडाइज मटेरियल इफ डिपोजिटेड देन यू विल सी द केरोजिन फोर्थ, और दिस विल बी सेटिंग इन टेरेस्ट्रियल लाइक वेरिड इन्वायरमेंट एंड दिस ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल विल डिपोजिट इन टेरेस्ट्रियल इन्वायरमेंट। मीन्स जैसे लैंड एरिया पे कोई डिपोजिट हो रहा है, terrestrial environment deposition means your organic like material will deposit it in your land area, okay, and that will be your, that is called your terrestrial environment, means land area environment, okay, no problem। So the question same has been formed in GATE 2020, that is your can say type 1 kerosene will be deposited in lacustrine environment, type 2 marine environment, type 3 terrestrial environment, and type 4 is what varied environment, okay। So this kind of the questions also can be formed। So right option will be 1 lacustrine environment, second marine environment, third terrestrial environment, fourth is varied environment। So I think this is the right option, my dear। Otherwise all the option whatever you are seeing that is not the correct। You can see one of them, type 1 is lacustrine environment, type second is terrestrial but here marine environment, but there is written is terrestrial, so all the option is wrong, okay। So my suggestion is that you have to remember is complete table, okay, you have to remember this complete table। So suppose the GATE 2020 the question asked from the deposition environment, maybe the question in GATE 2022 2023 maybe based on the hydrocarbon ratio, maybe based on oxygen carbon ratio, maybe based on which kerosene gives the more amount of oil or gas or dry gas, on this particular base also। So the number of question can be framed because of this table, so you must remember। So these are the two questions that has been asked in GATE 2020 from the petroleum exploration। So this is all about today's session। Thank you very much, have a nice day।